Understanding ethnic divisions. Bridging cultural gaps. Hello, and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of ethnic divisions. Understanding this topic is key to appreciating the rich diversity and complex social dynamics in our world. Let's dive into what it means, why it's important, and how we can all contribute to a more inclusive society. Ethnic divisions refer to the distinctions made between groups based on cultural, linguistic, racial, or national characteristics. These divisions can shape identities, but unfortunately, they can also lead to misunderstandings and conflicts. It's crucial to understand that these divisions are often constructed and can be influenced by historical, social, and political factors. Ethnic divisions have a deep-rooted history. They have been influenced by historical events like colonization, migration, and trade. These events have shaped societies and how different ethnic groups interact with each other. It's important to understand this context to comprehend the complexity and roots of modern ethnic relations. Ethnic divisions can significantly impact individuals and societies. They can influence aspects like employment, education, healthcare, and political representation. While celebrating diversity is enriching, it's also essential to be aware of the challenges that come with ethnic divisions, such as discrimination and social inequality. Overcoming ethnic divisions requires effort from individuals, communities, and governments. Education, open dialogue, and inclusive policies are key. By understanding and respecting each other's backgrounds, we can foster unity and diversity, leading to more harmonious and progressive societies. We hope this video has shed light on the complex yet crucial topic of ethnic divisions. Remember, recognizing and appreciating our differences, while working towards inclusivity, can make our world a richer and more harmonious place. Thank you for watching, and let's continue to learn and grow together.